POWERCHINA Kunming Engineering Corporation Limited. It is the century that is demanding a clear sky with fresh air. It is the century that is pursuing a healthy life with clean water. And it is the century that is expecting bright night in safe shelter. All requires a cheap and sustainable supply of clean energy. How to make humans live that better? POWERCHINA Kunming Engineering Corporation Limited gives the answer. The POWERCHINA Kunming has been devoting itself to harmonious development of human and the nature since 1957. It is one of the leading engineering companies in the world for development of hydropower resources, renewable energy, and infrastructure. POWERCHINA Kunming is taking the lead in its industry with a staff of 1,600 professionals, most of whom are geologist, civil engineer, electrical and mechanical engineer, social and environment impact assessment staff. In addition to its conventional consulting services, POWERCHINA Kunming has established 2 national research and development platforms, become the owner of 50 national patents, and has acquired 43 certificates of qualification that are needed to execute services in consulting, construction, financing, and investment. POWERCHINA Kunming is also the author of 87 national and industrial design codes, specifications, and standards. With its remarkable advantages in planning, POWERCHINA Kunming has completed Water Resources Census, Electric Power Industry Development Plan, Water Energy Resources Development Plan on major rivers, Wind Power Development Plan for the southwest regions of China, and National Electric Power System Development Plan for Myanmar. Authorized by host governments, POWERCHINA Kunming is at present conducting a master planning of wind power and solar power development for Myanmar and Laos. The past half-century witnessed POWERCHINA Kunming's strive and achievement in investigation and design of over 450 hydropower projects of 100,000 megawatts in total. They include the first of China's groundwater-driven hydropower station in Karst area, the 82.5-meter-high earth and rock-fill dam, the highest in Asia in 1971. The 178-meter-high concrete face rock-fill dam, highest in Asia and the second in the world in 2000. The world's highest completed double-curved arch dam of 294.5 meters for the 4,200-megawatt hydropower station. The world's third highest clay core rock-fill dam of 261.5 meters for the 5,850 megawatt hydropower station. The world's largest bank-type spillway with the capacity of over 31,000 cubic meters per second. POWERCHINA Kunming's overseas business began with Lagdol Hydro Power Station in Cameroon, the largest project funded by China's aid to foreign countries then, and followed by Phuanglong Hydropower Station in Myanmar, the largest hydropower station in 2005, which powered 30% of the whole country and irrigated 21,300 hectares of farmland. The 600-megawatt Shui Li 1 hydropower station, the largest completed hydropower project in Myanmar in 2009. Nam Mang 3 hydropower station, which is irrigating 2,900 hectares of farmland as well as generating power in Laos. Nam Lek 1 and 2 Cascade hydropower station, completed in 2010. Nam O River cascaded hydropower stations in Laos, with the 6th cascade built of the highest geomembrane face rock-fill dam in the world. Tuan Chuang Hydropower Station in Vietnam. Kiriram Hydropower Station in Cambodia. Ghazi Barotha Hydropower Station in Pakistan. Zunguru Hydropower Project under construction in Nigeria, the largest project funded by Chinese concessional loan for foreign countries to date. And the recently awarded San Jose 1 and 2 Hydropower Project in Bolivia. POWERCHINA Kunming has designed wind farms of 12,000 megawatts with 2,000 megawatts operating and photovoltaic power plants of 4,000 megawatts with 1,500 megawatts operating. The installed capacity of EPC contracting in wind and solar power has exceeded 1,800 megawatts in more than 30 projects. POWERCHINA Kunming's contribution to the water-short regions is marked by such projects as water transmission work for Zhangjiu River, which is supplying clean water for 500,000 residents with 97.6-kilometer-long pipeline. Nyolan River to Dien Lake water replenishment work with 115.6-kilometer-long pipeline, improving the water environment of the whole Dien Lake River Basin. And Middle Yunnan Water Transmission Project, in which the 664-kilometer-long pipeline will provide 7,750,000 people and 77,900 hectares of farmland with clean water. With exquisite architecture and solid constructions, POWERCHINA Kunming has never stopped devoting its capability to the rapid urban development. From urban planning to smart architecture to landscape arts, POWERCHINA Kunming has completed more than 800 projects, including 1,615,700 square meters of planned area, 1,520,000 square meters of total construction area, and more than 290,657 square meters of landscape engineering area in office, commerce, education, medicine, transportation, and ecological environment. Tunnels, bridges, and roads engineering and construction are one of the specialty of POWERCHINA Kunming as well. It has completed over 2,000 kilometers of roads, more than 80 bridges, and 30 tunnels to date. To develop with the world and live in harmony with the nature, we are the one always by your side, at your disposal and catering for your need. That is POWERCHINA Kunming Engineering Corporation Limited.